Today we are discussing about topic which is related to BSc Organic Chemistry and also related to FSC second year for chapter 12, and that is delivered by Shanza. That is reaction for aldehyde and ketone. This reaction is for aldehyde and ketone, but only that having no alpha hydrogen. Only that aldehyde and ketone having no alpha hydrogen. Why this is very important to remember? Because all mechanism related to that, and it's interesting that we can keep in mind this point by this name. Can is 0, 0, 0, keep in mind as 0, and so having 0 alpha hydrogen will give aldehyde and ketone to this is benzaldehyde, and that group is functional group, and it is attached to that carbon, and that carbon has no hydrogen, and that carbon is also alpha carbon. So you can see that benzaldehyde having no alpha hydrogen, but if we add base in it, what's happen? Two different products are obtained. In first product, benzaldehyde is oxidized, benzoic acid is added, and in second product we obtain alcohol. This is oxidation, and this is obtained by reduction. It is by oxidation, and this is result of reduction. You know that oxidation is by oxidizing agent, reduction is by reducing agent, and in this reaction we are neither adding reducing nor oxidizing agent. Then why this reduction oxidation take place? Then aldehyde, one is oxidized, other is. In this reaction, two benzaldehyde are taken in the presence of base. Two benzaldehyde are taken. What's happened then? Negatively charged species unstable, then negatively charged species less stable, then this negative charge is on forming double bond. Carbon cannot make 5 bond. That iodine is transferred to carbon, and oxygen is shifted to bond is shifted to oxygen atom. Negative charge will form double bond. That hydridine attacking as nucleophile, is attacking as nucleophile on partial positive carbon, then oxygen will have negative charge. Acid is formed and methoxide ion. In last step, what's happen? Acid will give proton and methoxide become methanol. This is whole story about Cannizzaro reaction, and prepare it, work hard, subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Benzaldehyde will oxidize other. So one is oxidized and other is reduced. Such type of reactions you know that are disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction, in which oxidation reduction is take place by only one species. Another example is with formaldehyde, and again you can see that this is functional group, and with it no carbon is attached, so there is no alpha hydrogen. Two benzaldehyde two formaldehyde are taken in the presence of base. One is oxidized, one is reduced, other is oxidized. What product are formed? Salt of acid and methanol. One is oxidized, other is reduced. What's about theory? What's about story of mechanism? Interesting story that aldehyde, when base is added, that base should attack on acidic hydrogen, but there is no acidic hydrogen. Then it becomes nucleophile. Then what's its role? It's become nucleophile. It acts as nucleophile, and when it acts as nucleophile, then it attack on partial positive carbon, and oxygen will have negative charge. Obtained in previous lecture, I informed you that stable is only that species which has no charge, but you can see that in this oxygen has negative charge. Then what's happened?